So indeed, I mean, we've seen very severe cat and weather losses, not only in the US, but also in Europe this year. So the hurricanes, as you mentioned, but also severe convective storms in the first half of the year have brought the loss impact this year to the industry to a considerable level. And if you think that over the last 9 years, 7 years have brought to insurers more than 100 billion of losses, it gives a sense of the magnitude of the weather and climate topic for the insurance industry. So this year has been a bit of a later cat season compared to prior years, but indeed a very material one. When it comes to Zurich, we've been consistently reducing the cat exposure over the last few quarters, and the fact that the loss impact on our accounts for the first 9 months of the year is 3.4% of the combined ratio, so just modestly higher than last year, which was a year that didn't see those large hurricanes, gives a sense of the good work that our teams have been doing in underwriting, but clearly a very, very hot topic for the industry, and I would say for society at large.
Claudia, hurricanes are unfortunately something we've lived with for a while when it comes to insurance as well. But the floods, the flash floods in Spain, I think that seemed more of a wild card for the insurance industry. Am I right about that? And what type of exposure did you have?
You're absolutely right that floods and what we call generally secondary perils, so flood, hail, wildfires, are becoming actually not secondary at all. So they bring great disruption to societies, to communities, and they also bring a considerable financial loss, not only to insurers, but to businesses and society at large. So definitely something that we are focusing increasingly, not only Zurich, but everyone in the industry. We need to work on prevention together with the public hand. Governments need to do more on the resilience of society. Now, specifically on Spain, to your question, there is a consortium, so a state-run insurance pool, so to speak, that we expect will absorb the greatest impact of the floods. Zurich's exposure in the region in Spain is traditionally not large, so we don't expect it to be financially a material topic for us. But as you said, a very material topic for society and something that we need to find better answers to.